Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this super cute Santa spinner card. So you can just open the card like this and you can spin this cute Santa. So everything is handmade and I will show you how to make this card with step-by-step procedure. So let's get started. So here I am using this cute die by Dress My Craft. This is called Cute Santa Claus Christmas die, and all the small dies are available to create your Santa. So I am here using red glitter foam for the body of the Santa Claus. Also for the backing I am using one red cardstock with the same die. Then I have cut these two hands using same glitter, red glitter foam, and also the hat using red glitter foam. Rest everything is made using white cardstock, all the small parts. Only the belt and shoes and eyes we need to cut from black cardstock. And the specs and button I have cut using gold mirror cardstock by Dress My Craft. So all the small elements are given here. For the specs you can use this die, and for the small elements you can use these dies. So quickly I will start arranging my Santa Claus one by one. Here for the face I have just colored it using a little peach color of watercolors, and to give the skin shade I have colored it. Similarly for the nose I have used watercolor. So just follow the steps to make your Santa. It's super easy to make. And the Santa is ready. Isn't it looking super cute? Now I am adding the backing for this because I am going to add two Santas with each other, and I thought the cardstock backing will be more fine when we will adhere two Santas. So here I have prepared one more Santa in opposite direction like a mirror image. So to create the opposite image of Santa, we need to cut the base and hat on the opposite side of paper. So normally we put dye on the glitter side, but to create the mirror image we need to put your dye on the back side, so you will get the mirror image of the same dye. Rest everything is same because this is a proportional, so you don't need to worry about that. Just the hat and the base body you should cut from other direction of the paper. Now I am going to stick these centers with each other when we will create the spinner card. So centers are ready. Now I'm taking this white cardstock. For this I have used this premium white cardstock by Dress My Craft, and this measures 22 by 9.5 centimeters. Here I am using the nested circle die by Dress My Craft. I have used this die set which is called Circle Die Family Set. The center should go perfect inside the die. There should be space from top and bottom so that it can rotate inside this very easily. Now exactly in the center of the cardstock I am going to cut the die, and after cutting it will look like this. Now here I am taking 4 mm red tacky tape by Dress My Craft, and I am going to adhere this tacky tape horizontally on the sheet, and each time make the equal gap while adhering the tape. Now I'm just cutting the excess tape from the center, that is from the circle die cut area. And this is done. Now just burnish it very well using bone folder. Here I am using the bone folder by Dress My Craft again. And then I am taking this beautiful reactive foil. This is called reactive foil in gold color by Dress My Craft, and you will see the magic in some time. So first I am just removing the liner from the red tacky tape. And then just place your gold foil on top of this. Burnish it very well again using bone folder. Then slowly remove it, and ta-da! Can you see the beauty of this gold foil? All the taped area gets stuck with this reactive foil and it's looking very gorgeous. Can you see the beautiful sheen and shine on this? I'm just loving it. In the same way, repeat on this side. So after adding on both the sides, our base of the card is ready. Keep it aside for some time. Now here I am making some Christmas ornaments, and for this I am using this Christmas ornamental die, and I am using this and this die to create the ornaments. So here I have already cut 2 ornaments using white cardstock and also one plain green ornament. For this I have used this die, and the green cardstock I have cut from the set which is called Tropical Cardstock Value Pack, in which you will get 20 different shades of cardstock. So now here I have already prepared one ornament and I am showing you how to prepare it. So first we have to join 2 layers of white cardstock ornament with each other. Then again adding glue on top of this. Spread the glue evenly using brush on the ornament. And now I am taking my mini funnel tray by Dress My Craft and rainbow sparkle dust, and just adding this dust on top of the ornaments. All the glued part will get stuck with the rainbow glitter. Just tap the excess powder and it's ready. Now I'm adding the green base ornament with this, and the cute Christmas ornaments are done. Now taking back my card and Santas, so just add glue on backside of one Santa. Then I am taking white color cotton thread and adhering exactly in the center of this and putting my other Santa on top of this and just stick it very well. So I am going to add my Santa exactly in the center. Now I am taking small piece of red tacky tape and adding it in the center from top and in the bottom. Just burnish it and remove the liners and stick the thread exactly in the center. Make it quite straight and stiff. And then I am taking maroon cardstock which measures 22.5 by 10 centimeters. I have just put my this on top of this, trace the circle and cut the center using the same circle die. Now I am going to stick my spinner card on top of the maroon cardstock. For maroon cardstock also I have used tropical cardstock value pack. And this is done. And can you see now our Santa is spinning? Super cute. Now here I am taking this scallop border punch by Dress My Craft to create the border and using the metallic gold cardstock. So I have already prepared two borders here. Taking back my card and first I am adding two small strips of maroon cardstock to hang our ornaments. So I am attaching both the ornaments on left and right sides. And then sticking the scalloped border on top and in the bottom. So this is done. For this circle scallop border I have used this basic designer dies stitch scallop circle and I use the second largest one for this and use the same golden cardstock. Now I am taking two more white cardstock which measures 23 by 10.5 centimeters, and since we need to cut the center for the top fold card and we can't do the die cutting if you use this whole cardstock, so we have to divide it in two parts so that we can pass it through our die cut machine. Now to connect both the parts I am using here connector. This is a simple 120 GSM white cardstock to create the connectors. So I am joining both the pieces with each other like this. And then I am going to stick my card on top of this. Then I am adding the sentiment Merry Christmas in one corner, and this is done. Now just twist the Santa, and when recipient will receive it and he will open it, the Santa will get spin. Isn't it a fun idea and very attractive card? So that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video very much and you will make it soon. So my project is done for today. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.